तो इस हफ्ते UFC 320 होने वाला है एंड दिस इज गोइंग टू बी अ फेनोमिनल कार्ड. Alex Pereira will have his rematch against Magomed Ankalaev and Merab Dvalishvili is fighting Cory Sandhagen. इस वीडियो में मैं मेन कार्ड के हर फाइट को ब्रेक डाउन करने वाला हूँ एंड आई विल गिव माई प्रेडिक्शन फॉर ईच फाइट. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं. Starting with Abus Magomedov versus Joe Pyfer, I think this is going to be a fun striker versus striker fight. Abus काफी अच्छे से डिस्टेंस मैनेज करते हैं as he is pretty tall and he is a very flashy kicker. However, उनका इस फाइट में उतना बड़ा हाइट या रीच एडवांटेज नहीं होगा and he does slow down a lot after the first round. Joe Pyfer on the other hand is a pretty decent striker as well and his knockout power is amazing. I think that alone will make the difference in this fight. दोनों काफी evenly matched है skill wise but Pyfer कहीं गुना ज्यादा athletic है and he does not slow down that much as the fight goes on, which is why I think he will win this fight by knockout. Moving on to the next fight, we have Josh Emmett versus Yusuf Zalal. अब skill wise देखा जाए तो यूसुफ जलाल is miles ahead of Josh Emmett. He is a very clean and technical striker और उनके knees बहुत अच्छे हैं. He has also proven that he can grapple if needed. However, what makes this fight and what makes every single Josh Emmett fight interesting is that he is the hardest hitter in featherweight history. उनकी knockout power arguably Ilia Topuria की power से भी अच्छी है. He can end the fight with a single punch and he has some genuinely scary knockouts. Against Bryce Mitchell, उन्होंने बस एक clean right overhand land करा and Bryce literally had a seizure in the middle of the cage. However, this is also the only way he can win. उनकी striking उतनी technical नहीं है and he is always looking for that one punch to end the fight. यूसुफ जलाल उनसे काफी गुना ज्यादा technical है, which is why I think he will win this fight by decision. Moving on to the fight that I am most excited for, which is Giri Prohaska versus Khalil Rountree. Giri Prohaska versus Khalil Rountree has the potential to be one of the greatest fights of all time. Both fighters are two of the most violent and exciting fighters in UFC history और दोनों बहुत evenly matched है. Khalil Rountree is one of the best representatives of Muay Thai and MMA. He did train in Thailand for a few years and उनकी गेम में वो बहुत clearly दिखता है. The way he kicks is almost identical to a Thai fighter. He also has great hand speed and a very accurate straight left. On the other hand, Giri Prohaska is one of the most unorthodox fighters in MMA. उनका स्टाइल उतना टेक्निकल नहीं है but nobody can question how effective it is. He is extremely tough and very athletically gifted. Usually fighters are taught to have their hands up so that they can defend punches better, but Giri हमेशा अपने हाथ नीचे रखते हैं जिसकी वजह से his punches come at very odd angles and they are very hard to predict. His spinning elbow knockout over Dominic Reyes is one of the most brutal finishes in UFC history. He has also shown that he is a pretty good grappler. When he got into the UFC वो बहुत recklessly लड़ते थे and उनकी striking defense बहुत बुरी थी, but in his last fight against Jamal Hill, he has shown a lot of improvements in his head movement. I think this fight will be very close. Giri Prohaska की main weakness low kicks है and Khalil does have some amazing low kicks, but वो दोनों opposite stances से लड़ते हैं which will make it a lot harder to land the low kick. At the end of the day, I think Giri Prohaska is just too unorthodox and relentless for Khalil. My prediction is that Giri Prohaska will knock Khalil Rountree out in this fight. Moving on to the co-main event, we have Merab Dvalishvili versus Cory Sandhagen. Merab Dvalishvili is the greatest bantamweight of all time as he has beaten countless former champions and dangerous contenders. He is easily the best wrestler in the division and in my opinion he might be the most athletic MMA fighter of all time. Firstly, his cardio is absolutely unstoppable. No matter how long the fight goes, वो literally कभी भी नहीं थकते हैं. Other than that, he is also very big and strong for the division. इस सीक्वेंस में we can see that Umar उन्हें पीछे से ट्रिप करने की कोशिश कर रहे थे but Merab didn't even move. Later, he picked up a single leg and literally tossed Umar across the cage. The best aspect of his game is his ability to mix up his striking with his wrestling. He can shoot an unlimited amount of takedowns without getting tired and when his opponents start worrying about the takedowns, he throws his right overhand at them. उनके ओपोनेंट को कॉन्स्टेंटली गेस करना पड़ता है कि मेराब एक स्ट्राइक अटेम्प्ट करने वाले हैं या एक टेकडाउन. अब काफी लोगों को लगता है that Cory Sandhagen does not stand a chance against Merab, but I think he might be Merab's toughest test in this division. Cory is a very good striker and he knows a lot of flashy techniques like spinning heel kicks and flying knees which can end the fight. More importantly, he is a pretty decent grappler. Merab के opponents usually उनके takedowns defend करने की कोशिश करते हैं and out wrestling Merab is basically impossible. Even if you defend one of his takedowns, he will shoot 50 more until you are tired. However, Cory Sandhagen को जब कोई takedown करने की कोशिश करता है, he doesn't really mind getting taken down. And he constantly keeps scrambling which is something that we haven't seen against Merab. ऊपर से he is very good at leg locks which are risky but can cause a lot of damage to your opponent. I think Corey Sandhagen can only win this fight through a leg lock or by timing a flying knee as Merab tries to take him down. However, I'm still going to pick Merab Dvalishvili by decision. उन्होंने अपनी लास्ट फाइट में बहुत इंप्रूवमेंट्स दिखाई हैं in his striking. He even outstruck Sean O'Malley in some moments. He is way stronger than Corey Sandhagen and now that he can actually submit people, I don't think उन्हें कोई भी हरा पाएगा. Finally, moving on to the main event, which is Alex Pereira versus Magomed Ankalaev. इसके बारे में मैंने पहले भी एक वीडियो बनाई थी, so do check it out if you want a more detailed breakdown. This is going to be Alex Pereira's chance to reclaim his title at light heavyweight, but honestly, I don't think this fight will go well for him. Pereira और Ankalaev की first fight काफी close थी. First round में Alex was able to land some good low kicks, but Magomed took over in the second round and even hurt Alex. Third round was close, but I'd say Magomed won. Fourth round में ज़्यादा कुछ हुआ नहीं as Magomed just held Alex against the cage, and finally, fifth round में Alex was able to land a head kick which rocked Magomed, but it wasn't enough to finish the fight. I think Magomed Ankalaev की pure boxing Alex की boxing से better है and he is a lot faster than Alex. Pereira is definitely getting up there in terms of age and although उनकी knockout power अभी भी अच्छी है, his speed has declined. उनकी लास्ट फाइट के बारे में एक अच्छी बात थी कि एलेक्स मागोमेद के सारे टेकडाउन्स डिफेंड कर पाए, तो मे बी ही वोंट बी एज वरीड अबाउट द टेकडाउन इन दिस फाइट, बट एट द एंड आई थिंक मागोमेद की बॉक्सिंग और हैंड स्पीड उन्हें फाइट जिता देगी. I think the only way Pereira can win this fight is by using his body kicks and then trying to set up a high kick. I really hope he pulls out a way to win, but at this age I just don't see it. इसलिए I'm going to pick Magomed Ankalaev by decision, even though I really hope I'm wrong. Anyways guys, that's it for today's video. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो प्लीज़ लाइक करना मत भूलना एंड लेट मी नो इफ यू अग्री और डिसएग्री विथ माई टेक्स इन द कमेंट्स. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.